does this material machine?
It's one of the hardest questions to answer, and we get asked it an awful lot in the sales division. Special alloys, complex alloys such as 718 and 625 are by nature high nickel alloys, and the answer is almost impossible to give. It's not like machining mild steels or stainless steels. So each facet of machining, such as boring, turning, milling, tapping, is a different answer. So what we try to do is collaborate and with some special skills here, the work holding, the cutting tools, to try and demonstrate the complexities of machining this material and how you can overcome those complexities.
What industries is it that require this material, and what qualities has it got to relate to that particular industry?
Okay, in the material we're machining today, 718, it's an alloy, high nickel alloy. This serves really two principal industries. One is oil and gas, and the other one is aerospace. So what we're machining is the API version to NACE. It's for sour gas in the oil business, and it's slightly softer than the aerospace version, which is melted in a different route, heat treated in a different route, and comes out harder. It's about, to give you an example, what we're machining today is about 38 Rockwell C. The aerospace is about 42 to 44 Rockwell C. So it gets slightly tougher in the aerospace version of this material. But essentially the machining of is exactly the same, and that's really it.